February. With temperatures in the 50s and the sun out, it was time to head to a local river for some fly casting, followed by some camping, watching the sunset behind the mountains, some star gazing, and a little bit of pie iron cooking. Saga of the Pie Iron, take 37. Alright, we're out in February. We're going to try a pie iron recipe. We've got the Old Smoky Moonshine Peaches, the Grand's Flaky Layers Biscuits, and the Parquet Butter. And if it all turns out, you'll see the end of this video. Alright, with an extra 8 minutes.
Ooh.
Ah yes. Our peach biscuits are officially done. Wow, those look delicious. So we've actually got about 30 minutes into these biscuits. Your time may vary because we can't tell you exactly how hot our fire was. And that's the charm of the pie iron cooking. But be sure to cook on a low enough heat where you can flip it and then check it and have some fun. We're gonna go enjoy these suckers.
Good morning. It is a tad bit frosty out here this morning, as you can see. But check out the view we have from camp still yet this morning. We woke up and it still is gorgeous. And this morning we are going to do biscuits on the pie iron for breakfast. Got the coals all ready. And now I'm going to swing you back around, make you really dizzy.
Worked really hard at kneading these up this morning. And then I just stored them in this can temporarily.
Just found it by the wayside, did you?
Yeah, just a good storage. They're all handmade. Okay, here we go. We'll be setting a timer for about 4 minutes. All right, it's been 8 total minutes, 4 on each side. Looks like we have nice biscuits on that side. Oh yeah, we're ready.
Breakfast.
Nice. Alright, closing up camp here at Jefferson View. Mid-morning is supposed to warm up here. First week of February is supposed to warm up into the mid-50s. Be pretty crazy. So we're gonna go down to the river and make some casts. I'm sure that's all that'll be done, but we're gonna give it a go and enjoy a little lunch on the river and head on home. Another round of winter camping, February in Central Oregon.
Nice.
Another weekend of winter camping on the books. It was time to head back home and back to another week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail.